What if you could own a luxury motorhome that's no longer than a standard parking space, yet offers everything you'd expect from a premium full-size RV? Meet the Leica Cosmo CV60 Supreo, a beautifully crafted Italian motorhome that proves compact living doesn't mean compromising on comfort. From a spacious lounge and fully equipped kitchen to a private bathroom, comfortable double bed, solar power, and year-round capability, this 5.99-meter camper is packed with premium features. Stay with us until the end as we take you on a complete tour of one of the smartest compact motorhomes on the market and discover why it's turning heads across Europe. This is the Leica Cosmo CV60 Supreo, a compact Italian motorhome that's just 5.99 meters long, yet packed with everything you normally expect in a much larger RV. Inside, there's a bright lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen, a convertible dining space, a private bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable double bed. It also comes with diesel heating, hot water, solar power, a large refrigerator, and generous storage for extended trips. All of this is built into a vehicle that you can actually drive and park like a normal car. Hello friends, welcome to my 5-star motorhome channel. Exterior, so let's get inside and see exactly how Leica pulled that off. The moment you step through the door, you notice that the living area doesn't feel like a compromise. The dining space is genuinely comfortable. The seating is well padded, the table is the right size for a proper meal, and nothing feels cramped. What really opens up the space is the large panoramic skylight overhead. Natural light floods the interior throughout the day, completely transforming the atmosphere. It doesn't just look good in photos, it actually feels different when you're sitting inside. The main control panel and the Truma heating system are conveniently located within easy reach of the seating area, so managing your comfort level never requires searching around. Up front, the cabin is fitted with a Pioneer multimedia system. This comes as a factory option, so it's worth keeping in mind when configuring your order. The front seats rotate fully, meaning that once you're parked for the evening, the cab becomes a natural extension of the living space rather than feeling like a separate driving compartment. Ambient LED lighting throughout the dining area, combined with the overhead fixtures, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere after sunset. The overhead storage cabinet above the dining area is generously sized and thoughtfully divided into 2 sections. So you're not simply throwing things inside and hoping for the best. Moving into the bathroom, the thoughtful design becomes immediately apparent. A wooden shower platform beneath your feet adds a subtle but premium feel. The wash basin features a pull-out faucet that doubles as a shower head, and with a simple movement of the partition, the space transforms into a fully enclosed shower cabin. It works seamlessly and never feels like a compromise. Sliding doors for both the bathroom and toilet areas are exactly the right choice in a compact layout. Instead of swinging doors taking up valuable floor space, you get a clean, practical, and efficient solution. The sleeping area strikes an excellent balance between functionality and comfort. 2 individual LED reading lights are integrated into the headboard, allowing each person to read without disturbing the other. It's a small detail, but one that makes a noticeable difference on longer trips where quality sleep matters. The ambient LED lighting creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere without being too harsh, allowing you to wind down naturally instead of going directly from bright overhead lights to complete darkness. The bed itself measures approximately 195-140 centimeters, providing a proper sleeping surface rather than something you'll regret after a few nights. Dimensions like these mean you're not sacrificing comfort simply because you're traveling in a compact vehicle. Interior, the kitchen layout has clearly been designed for real cooking rather than simply looking attractive. There's a pull-out worktop that expands your preparation space whenever needed, giving you a practical workspace that disappears when not in use. A 2-burner gas hob easily handles everyday cooking, while the sink cover flips over to become a cutting board on the reverse side. It's a small but genuinely useful feature when every inch of counter space matters. The faucet is full-sized rather than a tiny tap that makes washing dishes Unnecessarily awkward. An overhead cabinet with soft LED lighting sits above the work area, creating a warm atmosphere that makes preparing dinner feel enjoyable rather than routine. The lower cabinets provide generous storage through 3 separate compartments, all equipped with soft close mechanisms. Everything in this kitchen has clearly been designed around daily use over extended periods, and that practical thinking is reflected in how well it functions. The technical compartment also deserves attention. All of the core systems, including electricity, water, and gas, are centralized in one easily accessible location. Whether you're performing routine checks or troubleshooting a problem, everything is within reach without needing to search throughout the vehicle. This centralized design makes ownership and maintenance considerably simpler. The refrigerator is a compressor unit with approximately 90 liters of capacity, providing enough space for a full week's worth of groceries rather than simply keeping drinks and snacks cold. Pull-out drawers allow easy access, so you're not constantly reorganizing everything to reach items at the back. A separate freezer compartment also gives you greater flexibility for longer trips. Below the refrigerator, there's a larger storage cabinet complete with a built-in hanging rail. In the sleeping area, the large underbed drawers are divided into separate sections, keeping your belongings organized instead of becoming one large pile that shifts around while driving. The furniture throughout the motorhome reflects Italian design and craftsmanship. The materials feel solid, the finishes are clean, and the attention to detail remains impressive even upon closer inspection. This isn't budget construction disguised with attractive photography. Now let's move on to the mechanical and technical side. The CV60 Supreo is built on the Fiat Ducato 35 light chassis, a well-proven and widely supported platform that inspires confidence both on the road and when it comes to servicing across Europe. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter MultiJet diesel engine producing 180 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers relaxed highway cruising, enough power for fully loaded driving across varied terrain, and excellent fuel efficiency over long distances. It never feels underpowered or strained, while the automatic gearbox significantly reduces fatigue during motorway driving. The dimensions are carefully balanced: 5.99 meters in length, 2.05 meters in width, approximately 2.65 meters in height, and a wheelbase of 4,035 millimeters. These proportions make it comfortable on open highways while remaining easy to maneuver through towns or park in tighter spaces. It's a size that performs well in both environments without forcing constant compromises. The insulation is where this motorhome truly separates itself from fair weather alternatives. The walls, roof, and floor are all constructed using XPS and ALU Ecofiber insulation materials. The doors are insulated as well, and the double floor incorporates integrated heating. This level of thermal protection makes the vehicle suitable for year-round travel rather than limiting it to summer adventures. Heating is provided by a Truma combi diesel unit producing 6 kilowatts of output, drawing fuel directly from the vehicle's main diesel tank. This eliminates the need for a separate gas supply solely for heating. The system also heats water through an integrated boiler with approximately 10 liters of capacity, ensuring hot water is always available for showers and washing up without long waiting times. The fresh water tank holds 100 liters, while the gray water tank has a capacity of 90 liters. As standard, the vehicle includes a cabin air conditioner, a 95Ah battery, and a 95W solar panel. This battery and solar combination provides genuine off-grid capability, reducing your dependence on campsite electrical hookups and allowing you to stay in a much wider variety of locations. The electrical system supports both 12-volt and 230-volt power, giving you the flexibility to operate comfortably whether you're connected to shore power or traveling completely off-grid. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos featuring the world's most luxurious motorhomes, RVs, campers, and travel innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.